So I'm here at Sideshow Collectibles headquarters for Sideshow Con, their version of the Comic-Con experience. And in their headquarters, they have their life-size Star Wars characters. I've seen these at San Diego Comic-Cons before. They're so imposing. But one Star Wars life-size character I'm about to check out isn't 6 feet tall. He's only 16 inches tall. It's the child from The Mandalorian. I'm so excited. Let's go check him out.
If you would like to see the child, here he is. This is kind of our centerpiece for Sideshow Con. This is the child life-size figure. He measures 16.5 inches tall, and we actually have built a unique environment just kind of to showcase the size and scale of this piece, because it is the exact same size as the child would be.
And that's, I think, one of the things people and fans were most curious about. We fell in love with the character with the show, and whether you call him the child or Baby Yoda, but as a small figure, we didn't know a one-to-one representation of it. Can you talk me through the design of this, working with Legacy, and how this represents what they use in the filming process?
Yes, so we absolutely wanted to be as faithful to the character as possible, and this was created in partnership with Legacy Effects to really capture all the detail. I mean, this is based on those molds that they used for the puppet of the child. And so it's a mixed media piece. It includes cut and sew elements as well, because we wanted to capture kind of the swaddling fabric that really does make the character seem like an infant. And even though he is 50 years old, according to the show, everything from the hair, the synthetic hair, down to he's got little fingernails and toenails.
Wow.
We are just so excited about this piece. It will come on a kind of circular black base with our standard kind of Star Wars-y rivets, but all focus is on the child on this collectible.
Now, this is kind of your proof of concept prototype.
Yes, this is the prototype. We are being very gentle with him.
Was this out of a Legacy mold?
That information I'm not 100% sure of, but this is, we are working in production so carefully based on the prototype, because we want to deliver the most accurate, the most realistic product we can for the collectors.
I'm noticing things like there's stippling in the porous texture in his
Yes,
ears, things that you just barely see, the hair punching, a very light, wispy hair.
Yes, and those veins in the cheeks and the little wrinkles that make it so sweet. And the eyes and the kind of expression were extremely important as well, that we wanted to get something that's neutral but expressive. It's curious and just overall very cute and fits in any type of collection that it's not too determined what the child is doing and feeling for you.
This is conceptualized as a display piece, right? So it's not supposed to be posable.
Yes.
You can pick it up, certainly, but it's supposed to be, it's this version of the child holding that piece of the Razor Crest.
Yes, oh yes, and of course he's hiding it from me, so I forgot it is there. He does have the shift knob. But yes, this is a static piece. It is meant to be museum quality, displayable, like ready to go for you. You can pick it up, but be extremely careful when doing so. Use all the caution that you would for the actual bounty that is worth this much. And it is available for pre-order on our website right now. There was an introductory price of $350 for that kind of broke the internet launch.
Yeah.
But it is now $375. It is available in installments, and it will be shipping in different waves as well, based on when people pre-ordered it.
Wow. And is it limited in terms of that once you're done with the run, that will be it?
It is a limited edition, but we don't have a number and we don't have an anticipated date. essentially we are hoping to keep it going as long as people are interested in ordering the child. So there's no definitive, but if you do want to get it, it's highly recommended that you pre-order to make sure that you get your child.
You guys are doing the manufacturing for this, so it's the same expertise that you and your partners have for the cut and sew, the fabric. What's that? And this all goes through, I guess, Lucasfilm and Disney approval. So.
Yes, and we wanted to make sure that we are exactly honoring the child and keeping the manufacturing process as faithful to the prototype and the designs as possible. I don't have all the information on what goes on behind the scenes, but we are making sure that everybody's version of the child will be extremely high quality, exactly what they expect, seeing it practically leap off the screen and into their collections.
Just being in the same room as it, its presence, you're getting, I get so much more information about its character. Just looking at the different parts of it, you glimpse and you get bits of, even though it's not animated, it feels very much alive.
Oh, you can definitely feel the force coming off of this piece, and it's so mischievous, and you expect that at the moment you look away, it's going to wink at you or run off with the piece of the Razor Crest that it has in its hand.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Amy.
Yeah, of course.